What's up? Just got Maverick here, or Emilio. No, Maverick. Not Logan, just that's a good name. My dad wanted to name it Maverick, so. Yeah, and then we got Emilio from Team 10. I'm joking. That's what we named one of my birds, his son. He is just way. I'm gonna switch the camera. Let's cover him. There. There's Emilio. He's cute. Just like the real one, but yeah. This is my bird, Maverick. Oh boy. Follow me on Musical.ly and add me as a friend on Snap. Like my Musical.lys, and yeah. And all for this video. I just want to do a little short video, shorts. Yeah, just like little short things. Peace. Yeah.